I really wanted to be in a space with other creative people and other filmmakers. I've taken some like film classes here at my high school, but not really surrounded with like people who have that same passion as I do. And I think also being online, I was also doing like another summer camp working. And so it was very flexible. I had the opportunity to spend time with my family, to work, but to also feed my passion and fuel what I wanted to do. And also, I just love meeting new people, and being surrounded by so many different stories and so many different perspectives really helped me understand what kind of stories I wanted to tell. And on Smash Cut, it was super easy to find so many people to communicate with. And our professors put us in crews, which again was just so helpful to build connection. And yeah, it seemed like a perfect layout for, like everybody else was saying, furthering their skills. And I really wanted to do that. And I just had so much fun. Collaboration is such a huge part of the filmmaking process. And for me, when I was just starting out, like knowing that I liked film, it was just me filming my sister and my family, editing, doing the sound design, obviously filming it all by myself. And I think this program really showed me that I can trust other people, especially when it is such a collaborative process. And that also broadens my horizon. And, oh, you want to do it this way? Let's try it out. And I think that goes along with being open. This program really taught me to not have a closed mindset, especially when you're brainstorming ideas. The second that you kind of block off one, it doesn't really reflect well on your energy and how everybody else is reacting around you, especially when you're interacting with crews. And then the second thing I learned, which is very simple, but for film specific, just where you put your camera. Something I love about film is it has the power to shape emotion, and that's what the audience takes away from it. And those simple placements of where should I put this? Is this at a low angle? Is this at a high angle? Affect the audience even if they're not conscious of it. And those technical skills and really learning film vocabulary like that has just helped me so much in kind of developing the stories that I want to tell. You can kind of feel how excited everybody is to start working on a project. And at least how we did it, we would kind of go through and we would break down roles and be like, hey, I'm going to shoot this tomorrow. I'll have it in for you by this time. And that organization was really key to the process. And then we would send it over to someone to edit it, and then they would send it back to us, and we'd be like, hey, can we switch this? Or what if we move this here? And it was really about that trial and error, but also making sure that you're communicating with everybody in the group, especially because it's online and different time zones. It can be hard to make that first step. But I thought once you kind of break the ice and make that initial reach out to everybody, it makes the process so much more rewarding. And if you're excited about something, everybody else will be excited about it. And so having that collaboration and having that energy was, I think, very special. And then creating something all together that everybody was proud of and that everybody had a step in was very important. And it wasn't just one person really leading the charge, it was everybody putting in their own ideas. And at first I was a bit worried about that because it is online, but like I said earlier, it was no issue and it was just a great experience. Even if you don't have a lot of experience, you have the passion, and I think that's enough for you to start and get excited. And also, I'd say don't expect perfection the first time. At least when I'm going in, a lot of the times I put a lot of pressure on myself to make everything perfect, to get it right the first time. And this program really taught me that it's okay, that it won't happen like that, and that's actually part of the process, and that's what makes the end product even more rewarding. And so, yeah, I mean, just go for it, and I think the passion is enough, and just you learn as you go.